Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video. So for today's video explanation portion, I will directly jump into the screen sharing. So let's do it. So this happens with us professionals a lot, that whenever we are scrolling through our Instagram feeds, we stumble upon something like this. To be specific, those are called like carousel posts. And carousel posts are highly engaging, and this will give your account the highest reach if you make a valuable ones. So try to make a valuable carousel post. Instagram algorithm loves it. And this is basically Chris Do's account. I'm giving a free shout out to Chris Do now. Not all of those posts are not made by himself, but he features a lot of other creators too. So here are some of the great carousel posts of other creators too. And those carousel posts produce a lot of value, like they can give you a lot of knowledge, and you can really learn good things from them. Good, and to be honest, often, or they it's happen often that like they provide something really great that no one is talking about, like some Instagram hack that no one is talking about, like, or some social media or some typography hack or design hack that no one is talking about, or you have never heard of it. So those are really great. But Instagram has silly contents too, like funny videos, cat memes, dog memes, blah blah blah. So is it possible that we can get all of those valuable contents in one place? Because it may happen that Instagram algorithm suddenly stops showing you or recommending those posts for you. Instead, they show the silly things. So it might happen. So for that thing, we actually have a website that is booklets.io. So what they basically does is they obviously reshare those posts, like those valuable Instagram posts. And also what they have done, this is really cool, that what their name suggests, booklets means mini books or like portion of books. So what they have done, they have curated some of the great contents, that is book summaries in 10 slides. Yes, in 10 slides, like just like Instagram's carousels. Like here is a book summary of Hooked, like you can get it in 10 slides, and here it is, like really. And uh, you can other than books, you can have all of the others categories also. Here are the other categories. And it is really cool that they have categorized all of the carousels in one place. Because if you search it in Instagram, you will never find a carousel like this. But yeah, not obviously not in categorized manner. And if you even search it, you will not get the exact post or exact thing, like. But here all of those posts are categorized. So how cool is that? So this can be your, like, what this can be your everyday mornings routine to check out, like what's new in here, like what's new in booklets.io. Because these are really short source of knowledge that you can obviously look for. Like you don't have to spend a lot of time to go through the post. Like there are huge collection of posts, but maybe you can see one at a time or two at a time. Or you have a free time, you are scrolling Instagram or doing nothing, then you can obviously scroll through this website. So how cool is that? Basically try this website yourself and let me know in the comments if you like it or not. If you like my contents, please subscribe to my channel. And if you know some of the great website apps or web apps like this, please let me know in the comments. I can make video about that too in future. So bye.